Hey, this is Jay with Fresh Vintage. I'm here with Dwayne with Baseline Solar Solutions. We're going to go over a solar install and hooking your car up to EV charger at the house. So stay tuned.
Hey, this is Dwayne with Baseline Solar. We're here at Jay's house where we just recently completed a 24 panel solar installation using 360 watt REC panels. We're going to give you some high level information on how this system works. So next we'll walk around to where the interconnection happened and we'll take it from there. All right, now we're at the side of Jay's house. As you can see, we've got the DC conduit run coming down, the EMT conduit that runs along the side of the house over to the basement area, which we'll go to next. Which is where the inverter is located. For Jay's application, we also had to upgrade his service to a 200 amp service. His existing service was 100 amp, which wasn't suitable for our interconnection. So we had to bring a new line from the transformer at the road, which is the overhead service. You can kind of see the weatherhead snaking its way down through this conduit to his new meter base that we also installed. There is also a solar AC disconnect, so if and when you ever need to go power to the solar, you literally will just flip this breaker and it will shut the system down. All right, we made it downstairs to where the magic happens. This is an SMA Sunny Boy inverter. So basically, if you notice the conduit coming down, this is coming from the roof level. So this is the DC voltage and current coming from the panels itself. It's wired into the inverter here. That's what's basically inverting the energy being produced on the roof from DC to AC current and voltage that is now usable at Jay's house. One nice thing about, or neat thing about SMA inverters is to scroll through the LCD screen. You actually knock on it, which is kind of unique. But basically, let me get to the right screen here. You can see how much power is being output in real time. So he's producing a little over 4,500 watts, and in total, he's produced about almost 290 kilowatt hours. His system's only been on for a week or two, so that number will continue to climb. In addition to that, we installed a production meter, which is a cumulative total of how many kilowatt hours he's produced. So you can see it pretty closely matches what the inverter is stating. Primary function for this is for SREC, or Solar Renewable Energy Certificates. Jay can actually earn some extra money by having solar on the property, taking readings from this and entering into a broker company that we set him up with. So from there, this is actually the AC output from the inverter. It's running to the production meter first, and then we've got another piece of EMT conduit coming over to his electrical panel, which we again upgraded to a 200 amp service. And we actually have this back feeding his bus bar via this 2-pole 40 amp breaker at the bottom. So all the energy being output from the solar is feeding electricity to all these circuits that he has currently in his home. So pretty nice, clean installation. Overall pleased. I think Jay is as well. So yeah, feel free to contact us with any questions you might have. BaselineSolar.com. All right, thank you.
This is an example of what my power bill has been from spring to winter, around 8 months out of the year. This is the connection fee from AEP, so it is the minimum fee that is charged. In the winter, since the sun is further away and at a different angle, my bill has been about half of what a normal bill has been. So here's what the back of the solar panel looks like. You got the connectors right here. And this is what they call a jimthy. This is what's used to interconnect them. And this is what the solar panel looks like up close. These weigh about 70 pounds or so they're not too bad, but it looks like a giant frame picture from the back, so it's pretty neat. Here's the back of the panel with the jimothies connected down here, and these red daisy chained to the panels next to it. So this side and this side. And here's a close look at the specs. And here it is on a bright sunny day. You can see it spinning pretty fast. and you can hear the fan on the inverter working. It's at 7764 watts right now, as you can see. One more thing before I show you the charging port and the charger. We decided to put a small block in this bolt. So if I can get this open here, there you go.
There we go.
Okay, I'm outside. We have installed a 220 outlet. This is a NEMA 1450 amp. And what we're using is a TopDon PulseQ AC portable charger. Side note, this will charge on 220 or 110. And this is portable. It comes with a nice case. And they also have a home version, which you can mount on the side of your wall here. So both, if you want to watch both videos, check the links in the descriptions. And this one is hooked up to the car, the portable version. It's running at 32 amps. And like I said earlier, this is a 50 amp plug. So we got plenty of room there. And I have it plugged in, charging this Bolt EV. And this completes the solar slash EV charger on my house. Overall, it gives you a good know-how of how to set up a system, what you might need, kind of your high-level overview. So if you like muscle cars, if you like Camaros, if you like Superbirds, Mustangs, everything in between, technology, how-to videos, First Vintage is your channel. Thanks for watching and subscribing.